welcome back to Two Fun Girls. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a tiny mini notebook with just some paper and some handy dandy scissors. So let's get on to the video. Some lines for you to see. So first you're going to fold on this line. As you see, you have another two. So then you're going to fold on this line, another middle line. And you're going to open it back up. And you're going to fold on this middle line. So it's going to be this way. Once done with that, you're going to do the same thing that you did to the other side. Fold it over like this. Then open your page back up. Only one time, so it's like this. And you're going to get your scissors over here. You're going to cut on each crease line. Cut, cut. I put them next to the crease so you're seeing me cut next to the dot thing. So once you're done with that, you're going to open this page back up and you're going to cut over here on this, over on this line. So it's like this. It's like a window. So what you know is that you're going to fold them all back. So it's like this. Oh yeah, you do not have to write this stuff because you're just going to appear on your pages. So you're just going to fold them back like this. Okay, like that. You're going to turn it over. You're going to fold this guy around over here. And do the same thing to the other side. Once done with that, you're going to fold it half again, like this. You're going to push that in, scooch this in, put that back in. You have this. You're going to stretch it out like that. And you're going to fold it over to the side. As I told you, the thing's going to show up, so do not write it. I'm just going to erase the thing because that's on the front cover. So then it should turn out very cute. Then you can grab a pencil and decorate however way you want. I'm just going to do something. I'm done. I know I suck at these, but I just decided it's a quick, fun cover. Way more fun than this. So it's like supposed to be better than this, but yeah. So yeah, this is how it turns out. I like this one better since it's more like lined up than this one. So yeah, then you can flip in your book, write stuff. That, and then you can keep turning, but do not trim any sides, even though it doesn't look nice, because once you trim them, some of the pages are going to be falling off, so do not trim them. So that's it. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up, and turn on the tiny notifications bell so you get notified every single time we post a new video.